Across the UK, landlords and social housing providers face a growing challenge. Condensation, mould and poor air quality threaten the health and well-being of residents. High humidity leads to mould growth, increasing the risk of respiratory illness and costly repairs. New regulations like Awaab's law demand proactive solutions. EnviroVent and Vericon Systems have joined forces, bringing together advanced ventilation and intelligent remote monitoring to transform social housing management. Whole-house ventilation systems combined with real-time humidity sensors allow landlords to monitor conditions remotely, receive instant alerts and take action before problems escalate. Tracking humidity pinpoints exactly when and where problems occur. As you can see from numerous properties across the UK, humidity drops straight back into the safe zone, 40 to 60%, almost immediately after the spike, and this happens consistently. Maintaining optimal humidity improves respiratory health and protects the building's structure. This is supported by research from the UK Centre for Moisture in Buildings, the UK Health Security Agency and the INHABIT project led by the University of Birmingham and the University of Edinburgh. Proactive management means fewer complaints, lower costs and healthier homes. Now is the time for social landlords to lead the way in resident well-being and regulatory compliance.